In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsuspend a Google Ads account. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure your account gets back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is navigate your browser to the Google Ads homepage. You can do this by entering ads.google.com into your browser's URL bar. Google Ads is where businesses around the world get their online advertising done, reaching out to potential customers through a variety of ad formats. When you arrive on the homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the sign in button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've successfully signed in using your account credentials, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. Here you have an overview of your campaigns, effectiveness metrics, and a host of other data points related to your ongoing ads. The layout might appear a bit overwhelming at first glance, especially if it's your first time, but don't worry, it becomes second nature with regular use. Next, let's find the billing section, as this will be crucial in addressing any payment related issues that might have led to the suspension of your account in the first place. On the left sidebar of your Google Ads dashboard, you'll find a section labeled Billing. Clicking on this will direct you to your account's billing summary page. This area provides detailed insights into your account's financial transactions with Google Ads, such as your payment history, current payment methods, and any outstanding issues. Now, to lift the suspension, one key aspect you'll need to address is advertiser verification. Google requires all advertisers to verify their identity to ensure compliance with its policies. Look for the advertiser verification option in the billing menu. Clicking on this will guide you through the necessary steps to verify your identity. This process is crucial and typically involves submitting certain documents as proof of your business identity and possibly other account-specific details. Remember, taking these actions not only helps in unsuspending your account, but also aligns your advertising practices with Google's terms of service. If all steps have been successfully completed and there's nothing else flagging on your account, you'll be notified via email once the suspension is lifted. Doing this gives your campaigns, and ultimately your business, the green light to continue reaching out to new customers. And that does it for this guide. By carefully following these steps, you should be able to unsuspend your Google Ads account and get back to growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.